Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan, where I oversimplify life and help you become a better version of yourself. If you believe that your mind is like a garden, and if you believe that if you plant the best seeds like a garden, you will get the best results, you get the best vegetables and fruits, and in your life you'll get the best experiences. And if you believe that by thinking the thoughts that you want, by focusing your attention and your intentions, that you will be able to control your life. If you believe all of those things, then you should be living a life of your dreams. You should be experiencing the things you want. You should be enjoying the life you want. You should have the friends, the family, the environment that you love. Are you with me? So if you believe these things, and if you've studied any of the great teachers and thought leaders about the power of your thoughts, and that you must plant the best seeds and treat your mind like a GPS system, because you're going to put in the coordinates. Instead of planting seeds, you put in the coordinates. You put in what you want in your life. You program it, and then you focus your attention on it and your intentions. But that's not enough. The problem here is that you could be planting or putting in coordinates into your GPS, into your information center, but not getting the results you want. That's where the issue is. And most people don't realize that the emotions are the factor here. I've said it before that we have 5 emotions. 4 of them are not enjoyable. 4 of them we don't like. We don't like disgust. We don't like fear. We don't like anger. Right? We don't like sadness. We don't like these experiences. But to get to joy, we need to have these other emotions. But also, we can focus our energy and create our energy field with joy. We can do that. But the issue is that we have lingering, resentful, negative emotions. Emotions that are old past hurts, old past experiences that we carry with us all of the time. And when we carry those with us, it doesn't matter what we think. Doesn't matter what our intentions are. Doesn't matter how old we are. Doesn't matter what's going on in our life. Doesn't matter what everybody else is doing around us. It matters that we have old emotions. We have things that are holding us back, and we need to let them go. Because you can't just feel good. You can't make yourself feel good, even if you think you can. You don't have that much control. The emotions are controlling us. So you have to let go of old emotions in order to make room for new emotions. And the new emotions are the thoughts that you're thinking, the things you're imagining, and planting and installing the coordinates for your GPS, for this system to work for you. Okay? So the key to creating the life of your dreams and living the way you want is to tap into your emotions. Not just once in a while, but regularly, and realizing what old emotions you have inside of you and letting them go. And once you let them go, then you make space for the new, better feeling emotions, better feeling experiences. And then when you plant the seeds in your garden, like we talked about in the beginning, you plant those seeds and you focus your attention on what it is that you want, your energy field will change. Then you'll be attracting the kinds of people, the environment, the circumstances that are going to make your dreams a reality. So if you want to change your reality, you have to change what's going on in here. The outer world is a reflection of your inner world. And your inner world is always going to take you where you want to go, whether you like it or not, and whether you thought about it or not. It's always going to take you where you want to go. So become aware of what you're doing and think about this and research it. See what you can do about letting go of old emotions, filter them out, and then plant new seeds and plant new emotions, and then move forward. And you will live the life of your dreams, just like I am. If you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, you can check it out, subscribe, and watch some other videos, because it's going to help you become a better version of yourself. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.